Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by finding the place you want to explore. Open Apple Maps and tap the location pin or search result. Once the thumbnail or look-around icon appears, tap it to load street-level imagery. You'll see a panoramic view. Use one finger to swipe and look around, or two fingers to zoom and tilt for perspective. Once done, make sure your GPS and internet are active for the highest resolution tiles so panoramas load smoothly as you move. Now you navigate through the scene. Tap the on-screen arrows or simply swipe forward along the road to advance to the next panorama. Swipe back to reverse. You can pinch to zoom into shop signs or architectural details and rotate with two fingers to change heading. This helps when you need orientation for directions. If you plan a route, use Look Around to preview turns. It's faster and clearer than static maps because you see real-world visual cues. Finish by capturing or saving what you need. Tap Share to send the exact view or add the place to favorites or a collection for later. If you want a quick reference, take a screenshot and include notes. If you're planning, preview the entire route with multiple look-around stops. If the panorama won't load, force close Apple Maps, check Wi-Fi or cellular data, and restart. If problems persist, toggle location services and try again. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.